The Needle Daisy's flower core and receptacle share the same crochet method. We'll demonstrate how to make a flower core. Please make the receptacle by yourself. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around the fingers like this. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Okay, here we work in rounds, which means we start each round with a chain stitch and end each round with a slip stitch. Attention! Both the chain stitch and the slip stitch won't be counted into the number of stitches. Wrap the yarn like this. Work into a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring. In round 1, start with a chain stitch. At the beginning of each round, the chain stitch is used to raise the height. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn on the hook, pull it through the loop on the hook. That's one chain stitch. Next, work 5 single crochets. Insert hook into the ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn on the hook, pull it through both loops on the hook. That's 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch of every round. Four more single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. For the flower core, we need to pull the yarn tight, but for the calyx, we don't need to pull too tight. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into the first stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the second one. Okay, that's 1 slip stitch.
Slip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch, and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch.
Pull it tight. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 5 increases. First, 1 chain stitch. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. First, work 1 single crochet in the marked stitch. And then mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 4 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. Okay, 5 increases are completed. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn. Thread the yarn tail through the needle. Then conceal the yarn tail. Skip the marked stitch and insert needle through the second stitch. Do like this. Remove the marker. Then go back through the last stitch. Pull tight. Conceal the yarn tail at the back. Okay. There are 10 single crochets in round 2. Cut off excess tails. Make the receptacle in the same way. For the receptacle, we don't pull the yarn too tight, because we'll pass the stem through its center. Place the receptacle at the flower core back to back like this. Use white yarn to make petals. Wrap the white yarn around fingers like this. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Okay. Place the white yarn behind the receptacle and the receptacle behind the flower core. Pinch them together and then we'll start crocheting.